Hey everyone, welcome to a Good e-Reader unboxing video. My name is Michael.
This is Peter.
We have here today the 3rd generation Kindle Oasis. The big selling point behind this model is that it has 25 LED lights.
Yes.
12 are white and 13 are amber, which this means is that this has a color temperature system. It's the first Kindle ever to employ one.
This one is from the States, so you might be wondering it is champagne gold. You have to keep note that this color is not available in all markets. It will only be available in some markets. So when you go to your localized Amazon website, make sure you check out what color you're buying. All their packaging is super thin now, and this is really thin from when they first started in those gigantic brown cardboard boxes, and everything is packed so neatly. You have your Kindle Oasis, well, start guide, but it really just directs you to their website, which is actually a good idea because it cuts down on paper. You have your USB cable. It's not wrapped with any sort of zap strap or tie or anything. And you have the device itself, and this one is wrapped very nicely. So it is employing the same kind of design the Oasis 2 was. You do have that kind of hump at the back there, which keeps the most of the dimension very thin, but a lot of the computing and PCBs are in here. You do have a USB port with a status indicator light, and I must note the status indicator light isn't protruding, it's actually beneath the shell itself, so that's actually really cool. Nothing on this side. You have the power button / sleep button on this side, and the 2 physical page turn buttons, and the thing is flush screen and bezel as well.
First impressions is that it feels like a very premium and luxury device in comparison to the entry-level Kindle or the Kindle Paperwhite. I really dig the flush screen and bezel design, and the new Paperwhite actually has that as well. We'll get to that in our full comprehensive review, but in terms of what we see here today, I believe that this Oasis is a good investment because of the color temperature system.
Yeah, they finally caught up with the rest of the world and employed one themselves, because basically every other manufacturer, sub-manufacturer, white labeler, and everyone in between has been doing it except for Amazon.
Yeah, so the first product that has that is their ultra premium Kindle Oasis 3. So thanks for watching, everyone, and stay tuned for our review video for goodereader.com. My name is Michael.
This is Peter.
Everybody take care.